$7 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing.
Here we go, folks. Judge is calling the case of State of Texas versus Jacquellyn Sanchez. Now, if you've ever wondered how fast things move in a courtroom, just watch this. Within seconds, the defendant's past, her probation terms, and the violation are all laid out. Blink, and you might miss a life-changing moment.
All right, court is calling 2021 CR 7498, State of Texas versus Jacquellyn C. Sanchez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the State of Texas.
Defense?
Karen Corby for Jacquellyn Sanchez, defendant, Your Honor.
Are you Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jacquellyn C. Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7498 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on December 10th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of February 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jacquellyn C. Sanchez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Your Honor, state we resolve the violations.
And if
This is critical. Sanchez just pled true to violating probation. That means she's not even fighting it. Quick legal insight. In probation revocation hearings, admitting true is basically handing the judge the power to impose any punishment up to the maximum allowed by law. Risky move, right? Would you have done the same?
objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? All right, you're whispering.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's for 2 years TDC.
That is our proposed agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give her the minimum? What has she done on probation?
Judge, I can tell you that she did complete drug court. Unfortunately, she kind of...
And here's the real tension. The defense is pushing for the minimum sentence, but the judge isn't buying it yet. She wants to know, what exactly has Sanchez done on probation that deserves leniency? This is the turning point where the judge starts weighing compassion against accountability.
I fell short in re-entry court. She had tons and tons of negative UAs. She had been working really, really hard. I believe that the underlying offense was 7 grams, so I know it's 4,200, but it was closer to the 4 than it was 200. And so she does have, I think, 139 days in jail. She just really just wants to put this behind her and move on with her life. She tells me she's been working for 2 years at the Tower of Americas. She's hoping they'll keep her job open for her, depending upon how, if you follow the recommendation, how long it takes for her to parole. She's got a house that she bought. Her kids are living in it. They've been paying the rent. She's hoping that will sustain itself while she's gone. But Judge, she just wants to put this behind her and move on. But she did do a significant amount of work on this probation.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jacquellyn C. Sanchez.
All right, why didn't you do well in drug court?
I'm sorry, what was that again?
Why did you not do well in felony drug court?
I didn't have the money to pay for the UAs, ma'am.
No, felony drug court usually will not remove you from their program because you can't pay UAs. Are you telling the court that you were removed from felony drug court because you couldn't pay for the UA?
And I had a relapse. I had drank 4 beers, ma'am. She actually graduated from drug court, I believe, and then she went to the reentry. So I think she completed drug court. So I don't think she had a problem doing drug court. I think it's when she got out.
So here's my question. Why did they remove you from their reentry program?
Because I drank 4 beers, ma'am, on the 23rd.
No, usually it's more than that because felony drug court usually understands relapses. Am I wrong in that? Did they not understand that you had a relapse?
They usually do, ma'am, but this time they felt like I played them.
What do you mean by they felt like you played them?
They felt like I was lying. I lied to them.
Okay. All right. Probation?
Judge, the note that was received from drug court
Well,
was,
just one second. Any objections to probation giving me some insight in whether or not I should follow this agreement?
Okay.
And also, they found on my phone that I was trying to get methadone for a friend because he relapsed and he was trying to get clean, and that's what I was doing. And I had somebody else ask me I was looking for marijuana for somebody.
Wait a minute, what?
I was looking for marijuana for somebody. They asked me to look for it. They text me if I could find it for now. I told them yeah, but I never got to doing that.
Oh, so now we're getting to the point. So you were in felony drug court in the reentry program, and you were looking for drugs for other people.
Which I think she was looking for methadone and possibly marijuana. She's not, the perfect probationer, but that's what she told me, Judge. I don't think it was in.
I made a mistake, Judge. I'm sorry about that.
Nope, you made choices. They're not mistakes, they're choices.
Wow. That right there is a mic drop moment. The judge just reframed everything, not mistakes, choices. It's a powerful reminder that in court, excuses don't erase actions. What do you think? Was the judge being too harsh here, or was this the reality check Sanchez needed?
All right, is there anything else?
Judge, again, we just ask that you consider the fact that she did spend a lot of time in drug court. She has been straightforward with you, I believe. And ask you to follow the state's recommendation of 2 years TDC.
All right, and do you want me to hear from probation or no, counsel?
Sure.
No?
I don't think my client's trying to hide anything, Judge.
Okay. Probation?
the information that was received from felony drug court was, she did finish the program successfully. However, during the aftercare portion, there were UA tests with positive ETG results, and a phone search was conducted and text messages revealed that he was communicating with negative contacts and negotiating the sale of illegal drugs.
Okay.
I did reach out to felony drug court to see if they would be willing to accept for that, and if this was or not.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 6 true.
So I think it's in.
I'm sorry, number 2 true.
Yes.
Thank you. Violation of condition number 2. The court is finding that to be true. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money were run concurrent. Was the $57 ever paid for the laboratory testing? Do you know if you ever paid that?
Drug court? Is it
Ah.
to drug court? Okay.
Okay.
No, I have not taken it.
Okay. There should be
Nice.
$57 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. If you would like, I could have you referred to the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase your time at the prison. It's just something to hopefully help you maintain your sobriety.
Okay, I'll take that.
All right, therapeutic community. Court's going to sentence you to 6 years in prison and give you credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled trial.
There it is, the hammer drops. Despite the defense pushing for 2 years, the judge hands down 6. This shows how unpredictable sentencing can be when probation violations stack up. Judges often see violations as broken trust, and once that trust is gone, leniency goes out the window.
Court certification of defendants' rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Notice something powerful here. Even after sentencing her to 6 years, the judge still reminds Sanchez that help is available after prison. That's the duality of justice, firm consequences, but also a path to redemption. It's tough love, courtroom style.